How to fix Snapchat video sound not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat video sound not working. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step 1. That is to check the phone volume. So first, make sure that your phone volume is turned up, and here to do that you can just press the volume up button and check if sound works in other apps or not. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart the Snapchat app. So here what you can do is you can close the Snapchat app completely from the app recent, and after that you can simply reopen it and try playing the video again. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to check the app permission. So here you can always go to the settings app, and now from there you can simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here tap on manage apps, and now here in this section just tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Snapchat app and tap on it. And now here, once you are inside the Snapchat app section, simply scroll down and tap on app permission. And now here in this section, make sure that the microphone access is enabled. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear the Snapchat cache. So here, if you're still facing the sound issue, then what you can do is you can just open the settings, and from there you can just go to apps, and from there you can just go and search for the Snapchat app, and you'll be prompted to the Snapchat settings page like this. And here you can just tap on clear data option. So here just tap on clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to update the Snapchat. So here, after doing all this, if you still find the audio problem, then what you can do is you can just open the Play Store. Now here inside the Play Store you can simply search for the Snapchat app, and there if you find the update button, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to restart your phone. So here, after doing all these fixes, if the sound is still not working on the Snapchat, then what you can do is you can simply restart your phone to restart and refresh the system and fix the temporary sound issues. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.